Hey guys, welcome to another substandard sierracruiser video. Today we're going to be adding these treaty oaks recovery points. This kit comes with all the hardware you're going to need to attach. The nutcert looking things you see there with the welding rod attached. Welding rods used to fish that in behind the frame into the mounting points. You're going to actually bend that, you'll see in the video. These do come unfinished, so you're going to have to clean them up and paint them. I had some Rust-Oleum in a can that I actually brushed on them. Probably spray would be better, but brushing got on nice and thick, so I think that worked. And the main advantage of these stout recovery points is going to be a more vigorous recovery as far as yanking on the vehicle. Before I put these on, the only front recovery points I had were the factory tie downs, which I think would be fine for a gentle pull. But if you're really stuck and you want to use a kinetic strap or rope, you're going to need something heavier duty to actually pull off the frame. And here they are after I brushed that Rust-Oleum on. Basically, you're only going to need a 19mm and a 17mm socket to install these. It'd be 2 bolts each side. And look at that beautiful paint job. All right, let's get this bad boy on the lift. All right, guys, so I've got the KDSS model, got the front driver's side tire off, and we're looking with this Treaty Oaks recovery point is going to go. Now I'm a little worried here that it's not going to fit. You know, if you watch the videos online of the installation, it shows there's a plastic tab right here. You pull out and you fish your nut through, and this is where that breakaway piece is going to go, the insert. Actually, I think it's here, so I think we're going to try and fish through here, through this cover. You'll see it's different from the passenger side. When you watch the videos, everyone installs from the passenger side. I couldn't find any instructions online. I'm assuming it's going to fit. This is just a sticker over the bolt there. Let's take a look at that. There's the frame bolt. We're going to go through the front. And let's see if we can get this off. All right, let's loosen this. That Land Cruiser coming in handy. Got everything laid out for us here. All right, we're going to get a little bit more persuasion here. These are in here. All right, I'm going to turn this camera off while I switch to curse mode. All right, that was a pain in the ass. Well, we destroyed that. We've still got that sticker that came off that lower bolt by the tow hook, factory tow hook. We'll just use that. Yeah. Perfect. Actually, it's this one. It goes. Thought maybe that lip would fit in it, but it will not. Maybe we'll put this side out. Alright, so I ran both these bolts through the thread chaser. Front bolt's going to be more of a fine thread. It's an M12 1.25. And then your rear bolt's going to be a M12 1. I'll have to take a look. Now I'm just going to chase this thread. Just make sure we're good. It's a little tight. Okay. All right. Now we got to bend this. All right, what do you think? Haha, look at that. Anyways, that'll work. Let's see what happens. All right, you got it. We'll just tighten everything up. And this will be the tight method. Now we gotta break this thing off. That's it. Look what I found. Has it ever been not your day? Alright, so am I gonna drop it? Okay, come on. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Ah. Save myself. Alright, don't do that. And on the other side, you're not gonna be able to get a finger in there. Alright, so you are only going to get a shackle through here. These sharp edges, you're not going to put a soft shackle through here. If you can get a soft shackle small enough to fit through here, you shouldn't be using it. Alright, here we go. That's it. I did take the tires off. You probably don't have to take the tires off to do it. It wasn't that bad of a job. I think the worst part was just getting those plastic clips out. Alright, next up some armor. See, I bashed that up pretty good.